Oh.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch
Just ask
things
the
up,
flashlight to shut that
including
all
which
down.
side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Life energy
Playing
is a
Adams is silly.
powerful
No,
weapon
it's so
against
good
evil.
though. Storm Boost and Mantis Boost has to be the easiest room so far tonight. Honestly, is that why I was able to like kill her in her ult, like the cloak, or is it like 2 headshots, like me and somebody else both headshot her at once there?
Round 2.